Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Xano for building APIs for no-code apps step by step clearly. Visit the Xano website. Locate the sign up button, typically found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements provided. After filling out the form, check for any promotional offers or discounts available. Once you've completed the form, click the Create Account button. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox from Xano. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Xano website. Log in with your newly created account credentials. Upon logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the option for a free trial, if available, or select a suitable subscription plan. Review the pricing and features of each plan to decide which best suits your needs. Click on the chosen subscription plan to proceed. You may be prompted to enter payment information. Fill in your payment details as requested, ensuring all information is accurate. Review your order summary before finalizing the purchase. You will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Begin exploring Xano's features to start building APIs for your no-code app. Utilize the available tutorials and resources on the dashboard for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.